stand before you tonight as we celebrate the 65th Grand Alumni Homecoming of our beloved alma mater. 65 na yun. Tama. So the Quezon National Agricultural School. Palakpakan po natin ang ating paaralan. Coming back to our beloved alma mater brings a wave of emotions. Siyempre, no? Some funny, some inspiring, a few heartaches, and many simply unforgettable. Diba? Lahat tayo may mga unforgettable memories na nangyari during our stay here in our alma mater.
Dilim, lubat na ako.
Each corner of this campus holds a memory. The ringing of the bell, the laughters in the hallways, the rustling of leaves as we walk to our next class. QNAS was never just a school. It was our second home. It was here that our minds were shaped, our values deepened, and our dreams took its root. For me, it wasn't just a place where I earned an education. It was the stepping stone that led me to where I am today, the DepEd Central Office. Yes po, it is a living testimony that I was accepted at the Central Office because I am a graduate of agriculture here in QNAS. And as I stand here now, I feel with gratitude for the teachers who believed in us, the friendships that stood the test of time, and the lessons that extended far beyond the classroom. Let us always carry the spirit of QNAS wherever life takes us. Because no matter how far we go, we will always find our way back to where it all began. I am so proud to be a product of this school. I can still remember way back 1980 when we underwent a 2-week tryout to enroll in high school. Yes po, 2 weeks kaming naggamas. Sinubukan ang aming lakas kung hanggang saan ang tibay para sa pagagamas at hindi lang yan. Sa loob ng 4 na taong singkad, homemaking, agricultural concepts, and physical activities ang ating ginawa. Nagtatalok, naggagamas, ano pa? Naggagapas, and even maghakot ng mga buhangin. Di po ba?
Yes.
Tayo halos nakaranas maghakot ng buhangin para sa covered board at para
Sa irrigation.
sa administrator's residence. No? I'm sure hindi natin lahat malilimutan ng mga gawain ito na humubog sa atin upang masanay tayo sa mga ganitong life skills. And indeed, naging matibay at malakas ang ating katawan sa ganitong mga aspeto ng buhay estudyante. And then, here came 1983 to 1984. Fourth year high school na kami, and I remembered how excited my classmates and I about where we would go after our high school graduation. Lahat sila may tiyak na pupuntahan, may tiyak na papasukan sa college. Pero ako, hindi alam kung saan patungo. Kung saan dadalhin ng mga pangarap. Although I know for myself that there is an ardent desire to study and finish my college education. And the only option for me is to enroll here in Pinas because my parents cannot afford to pay tuition in the famous colleges and universities. I told myself, okay lang. Okay lang yan. At least sa Pinas, 4-year course. Ang kukunin natin. So going back to our theme, the theme of this year's celebration, tayo na magkaisa, limunin para lang sinisinta. Beautifully remind us of two things, unity and gratitude. We come together not only to reconnect with old friends, but to remember the foundation that allowed us to become who we are today. Like many of you, I once sat in a classroom within the halls of this campus, unsure of the future, but full of hope. I had dreams, yes, but I also had doubts. I was fortunate to have teachers who saw potential in me. Some classmates who encouraged me, and a school community that believed in what I could become. Whatever success or achievements I've had in my career and in service, I trace them all back to the character and discipline I learned here in Pinas. To top them all, maraming salamat po sapagkat nagkita-kita tayo muli. Sa isang pambihirang pagkakataon, maraming salamat po sa ganitong oportunidad. Magandang gabi at muli palakpakan natin ang ating inang paaralan.